G'day, Brent here with this weekend's What's On. And again, wonderful, wonderful weekend in Wairarapa. It's very Christmassy. We'll get to that shortly. But have you ever considered yourself someone that maybe could be a model? If you're aged between 14 and 22, here's a great opportunity for you. Michael Hooker International New York and Kirsty Bunny Management in Wellington are working together to basically find the next top model, if you will. If you were looking for girls and guys 14 to 22, and there's more info at kirstybunny.co.nz. Might be worth getting along there. Who knows? You could be walking the catwalks of Milan before you know it. Another flying weekend at Hood Aerodrome, 10 o'clock start both Saturday and Sunday, obviously a little bit weather dependent. And then we get to Christmas. Christmas in Greytown, 9 o'clock on Saturday morning. There's a big market that kicks off in and around the town hall. From 2 o'clock, of course, it's the Christmas parade and the gorgeous place. One of my faves in Wairarapa is Cobblestones, and they've got Christmas carols happening from 5 o'clock. Also, from 5 o'clock in Martinborough, it's the Christmas parade from Dublin Street. From 6 till 7 is the Kids Christmas Show. This is going to be really good. It features the likes of Jake the Pirate, Elsa and Rapunzel, and some of your favourite other magical Disney characters. From 7 till 7:30, the annual Business House Carol competition, followed by the Madcaps Christmas Carol sing-along. So that's going to be amazing. And then Christmas in the Square with Christmas rockers, some Wellington artists, including from The Voice Australia, Ben Hazelwood performing in his first concert in New Zealand in a very long time. So go and check it out. So a massive weekend, lots of events on. Gotta love a weekend in Wairarapa. If you want something on, make sure you get in touch. Brent G at morefm.co.nz.